I just spent a day making this app called AES File Encryptor. And basically, an encryptor locks your files so no one can read them. And if you want to read it, you need to decrypt the file with the password you set before. And if you forgot the password, the whole file is unreadable. And how it works, basically AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard. It's a way of scrambling your files so only someone with the right password can read them. Encryption is just a process of turning your data into a secret code. Basically, it makes your files unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the key. How this app works is simple. You just need to drag and drop a file into the section or just click to select the file. For example, here we use a secret.txt and you open the file, it will say file added. And you just need to enter a password like 123 and encrypt it so it will, in the folder, you will see here is a new file called secret.txt.enc. You cannot just read this file because in this file we got messages like this, and this is an encrypted file so you can't read it. And if you want to make it normal again, like you want to read what is in the secret.txt, you need to decrypt the file. Like now we cleared the files and put the encrypted file in the section, and now we click decrypt with the password 123 again. And we decrypt the file and it'll say decryption complete. You just need to check your folder and hit. Now you got the txt file again, and in the file you got everything in the encrypted file again. So this is what's in the secret.txt, and it's exactly the same. So if you want to save your files from people to steal it, you need to encrypt it into this, or just set a password for your computer. And you just need to go to this website and click the download for Windows, and it'll skip you to my release and it'll automatically download the setup. So like I'm saving it to this folder, and now we save it. You just need to wait a bit to download, and you can just come back and click it. And this is the installer, so you will see the installing panel, and you click the next. You need to click I agree, and you need to agree to the terms and conditions, and click next, and click the next again. It will ask you where do you save, and if you don't have enough storage in this C, you can choose anywhere else. Just click the browse, and you click install. And wait a second, it'll install, and you click the finish, and you will find this app in your computer. And you click it, and it'll open the app itself, and you can just click to install or whatever you want to do. Just use the app. Also, if you want me to make other apps, just comment your ideas and I'll make it, maybe, because I really don't have any ideas right now.